Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the macro for Excel counter, like counting by cell color. So let's say that we have some names here or any information, and we want to color them like this. And then we want to know how many cells that we color with the same color actually. So first of all, we go to developer tab. If you don't have this one, you can add it from like customize the ribbon from any other tab actually. And then you open Visual Basic, you just import the file that counts as a color. And then after importing file, you'll find it like this. So how to use it inside. So first of all, in a new cell, you have to add count interior color like this. So you can actually use formula. So the range, this is the range we want to do the count the colors in. And the reference cell, what is the color that you want to count? So you choose any cell with that color, for example, this cell, and press OK, and it will tell you how many cells with that color. So let's add some colors also and check. Let's say this one. Now, let's count like we want to count the same ring, but different color. This one, so it gives us 5. Actually, there is another macro on the internet that will count the colors for you. Any cell, any color cell for you, it will be counted. But the problem was that macro, when I tried it, I found that it uses a color index, which is not suitable for anyone who is using custom colors. For example, let's change this one like this, just slightly a little bit different. So actually they look the same, like a color index, but actually they are not the same. They are like different color. So the color index is like trying to find the closest color index, and sometimes this actually makes like a big difference between two colors, but you will find that the index is the same, so it will count cells that they are not supposed to be counted. So for this one, it will be 4 only, because this one is not the same. Actually, they have like 2 different colors, even they are like slightly different. There is like no obvious difference for the naked eye, but in Excel it treats them like different colors actually. That's why I'm using here. It's a get RGB color. Oh, let's try if it works here. So this one, this is our first color. So this is the RGB color for this one that we change it. So And here we go. This is a difference actually. They are like some numbers, they are not matching. That's why they are totally different colors. So the macros that I made, this one is like more precise than the one that you'll find on the internet. And make sure that you have the same color exactly, because a slight change like this, it will make a difference in the count. So just make sure that you are using the correct color. That's it, and thanks for watching.